Welcome to you on my YouTube channel Learn with Sidra. Today again I'm here with daily use sentences. So let's get started. Have another cup, have another cup, a cup or लो. Nothing felt right, or we can say nothing felt okay. Nothing felt okay, कुछ भी ठीक नहीं लगा. I turned in my bed the whole night. I turned in my bed the whole night. मैं रात भर बिस्तर पर करवटें बदलता रहा. I was beside myself with rage. I was beside myself with rage. मैं गुस्से से लाल पीला हो गया. His arm got dislocated. His arm got dislocated. उसका बाजू उतर गया है. He is dying by inches. He is dying by inches. वो घुल घुल कर मर रहा है. I know him only by sight. I know him only by sight. मैं उसे सिर्फ शक्ल से जानता हूँ. I shall outbid you. I shall outbid you. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा बोल दूँगा. He got off scot-free. He got off scot-free. वो साफ बच निकला. I have eaten to my fill. I have eaten to my fill. मैंने पेट भरकर खा लिया है. He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. वो बाल बाल बचा. I am bit out of sorts. I am bit out of sorts. मेरी तबीयत कदरे नासाज है. Is this house to let? Is this house to let? क्या ये घर बराए फरोख्त है? Islam is a religion of peace. Islam is a religion of peace. इस्लाम अमन का दीन है. When is the next clearance due? When is the next clearance due? अगली डाक कब निकलेगी? Let us bury the malice, or we can say let us bury the hatchet. आओ अदावत को भूल जाएं. You are carping tongued. You are carping tongued. तुम्हारी जुबान काली है. It is available over there. It is available over there. ये वहाँ मिलता है. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. खुद पर भरोसा रखो. Safety comes first. Safety comes first. सबसे पहले एहतियात आती है. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Give it up. इसे छोड़ दो. Give it up. इसे छोड़ दो. Everything seemed right, or we can say everything seemed okay. सब ठीक लगा. People are weird. People are weird. लोग अजीब होते हैं. Time will tell. टाइम विल टेल, वक्त बताएगा। काउंट ऑन मी, काउंट ऑन मी, मुझ पर भरोसा करो। होल्ड माई कॉल्स, होल्ड माई कॉल्स, मुझे कॉल्स ना आने देना। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर।